Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to flush your DNS cache on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is open the Terminal app. There are multiple ways of doing this, but we're going to use Spotlight Search. So to do this, press Command and Spacebar at the same time. Now, search for Terminal and open the app. Once the Terminal application opens, we just need to copy and paste two commands to flush our DNS cache. The commands we're going to be copying today look like this. The first command is what's going to flush the DNS cache from your Mac, and the second command is going to restart the DNS cache service on your Mac. So, highlight these two commands, and copy them by pressing Command and C. Then, paste them into the terminal by pressing Command and V. Once you've done this, click Enter. You then need to enter your Mac password. So we're going to do that now. Then, select Enter. And as you can see, we have executed the commands and we have flushed our DNS cache. Now we've done this, we can quit out of the terminal. And now we can go ahead and start using our Mac just as we normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing to the channel for more Rome tips. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.